Ladies and gentlemen, the new 2024 C8 E-Ray colors may change your mind after seeing them in person.
What's up, guys? So I stole Mike's camera because it's been left in the kitchen, and we're gonna go wake him up right now. But I think the shower is running, so let's go see if we can surprise him. Let's see if he's... Okay, he's not in there. Oh, he's in the shower. Mikey! Mikey!
Oh, Mike's not in here, man. I'm gonna take a shower.
Man, bro, my bad. I'm looking for Mike. He's not in here.
Dude, where is he? We need to get going. I'm ready to go. The car's started. Is his car out there?
Well, he's not in here.
What are you talking about?
Clarence is in the shower still.
What the hell is Clarence doing in the shower down here?
Hey, what's going on? What are you doing? We're looking for Mike.
I don't know where Mike is.
Well, let's go see if his car. I mean, is his car here?
Hold on. Have you seen Mike?
Where's Mike?
Bro, come on, man. Did he come home with us? Dude, his car is gone.
Did he leave?
Well, I wish he would have told us if he left before us, because it's time to go.
Yeah, we need to get out of here.
Somebody call him, text him. This is stupid. Hey, Robert! Have you seen Mike? Where the hell is he?
The heck do I know?
Probably back in the shower.
Are you up here?
That's good. Mistake.
Everyone's ready to go.
Well, his shoes are gone. Well, Mike left his freaking camera at the house.
He never really does that. Have
No.
you seen him today?
I haven't seen him, but let's go take a look for him.
He's probably around a bunch of those Corvettes, actually.
Dude, he's obsessed with
I know.
the cacti.
Ew, really? Okay. I mean, let's see if we can find him somewhere around it.
All right.
Yeah, man. By the way, guys, this is Trevor, this is Clarence. We're also Mike's friends. We were trying to find him because he usually don't leave his camera around the house anywhere, which is really annoying.
Dude. Look.
What the WTF is going on right here?
Hey, man.
What the?
What? Hey,
Bro, come on, bro.
where have you been at all day, dude? You left your camera at the
crib,
house.
And now you were saying about the car? What were you thinking, man? How did you even get here?
I don't know.
What you mean you don't know?
Are you dehydrated? What's wrong with
What's
you?
wrong? Will you be crying or something?
What?
What are you doing?
He is in love with it, bro.
He is in love with the cacti green. Bro, what is happening right now? No, not.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is day 2 here at Corvettes at Carlisle. You actually see a different car now. Clarence was a little bit delayed, but he's finally here with his beautiful Accelerate Yellow C8 Z06. Check it out. We've got the BOS 2.0 and the beautiful Accelerate Yellow Z06, and they both have ForgedLite wheels on. These are the brushed aluminum MC5s on Clarence's car. Look at how deep these things, concave they are. They are freaking amazing. And he's got the Z07, not the Z07 car, but the Z07 Aero on his Z06. So he's got the carbon flash nacelles, and check out the huge dive planes. Everything's in carbon fiber as well. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, I haven't gotten you too much footage for day 2, Friday, so I'm gonna come over here to the GM tent and I'm going to just show you on this camera. This is my camcorder, everything that's in the GM tent. I'm gonna go over the cacti green because it is starting to grow on me big time, and just want to give you guys my impressions of this after seeing it for a couple of days now. So this is the car. This is the color that I did not like at first. It's starting to grow on me big time, and I'm really starting to like these wheels. These are the polished wheels with the brushed on the inside of the barrel. And then it's got the gray calipers on here, the carbon flash side rockers, the painted mirrors, the painted front splitter, and the rest of The front is all cacti. But really, the cool thing about this one is the Artemis on the inside. The Artemis new, I don't know if it's open. No, it's not open. Yeah, the new Artemis on the inside of this car is fantastic. This is a convertible. It has the carbon flash nacelles and roof. I wish they would have put the black tips on this though, because that would look really good on the exhaust. And Trevor, what do you think? It's not open.
I'm a big fan.
I'm a big fan now too. This has totally changed my mind seeing this thing in person. And then I also want to show you guys something that I missed the other day. I did see this at the last minute, but these are some of the new wheels that you can get on the 2024 Stingrays. And I actually like them. They're a 5-star look, but they don't have the design of the first 5-star Stingray wheel, so I really like those. And this is a carbon flash car. So you guys know in 2024 you're able to get the carbon flash as a color now. I think it looks really good. What do you think of those new wheels?
It looks more old school.
Yeah. And they're like satin.
Yeah.
So I think they look great. And then the Seawolf Gray, this color is really nice. Kind of like a Nardo Gray, except for it does have metallic in it. Trevor will put a light on it and show you. There's the metallic sparkle. It does have the carbon flash wheels on it, and this also has the Artemis on the inside. I wish I could get in this thing and show you guys, but this also has the Artemis new interior. And before I go over to Riptide Blue, we gotta check this thing out again. I just keep coming back to this. It's so sick.
The color's so vibrant.
So the blue on the silver flare metallic just changes the silver. It sets it off completely different than it normally looks. And then the blue interior, the tension blue with the twilight, is just phenomenal. Plus it's got the carbon fiber front splitter, carbon fiber side blocker, and I love the blue E-Ray. Such an awesome touch right there. Black nacelles, now, I don't know if I can get behind the black nacelles.
I like color matched.
Yeah, color match. If you're gonna do black nacelles, you need to do the black one. Right. My opinion. And they should have put the black tip exhaust on this, in my opinion, as well. Man, the stripes are just so good. Look at that. So beautiful. All right, we'll go over to the Riptide Blue. And this one is definitely one of the prettiest blues GM has ever done. It's so pretty. And they've done a really great interior as well. Sky Cool Gray with blue seat belts. You can see that blue seat belt over there. It's got the carbon flash wheels, carbon flash side rocker. Everything else is body color. Yep, love it. Love the body color spoiler. Really pretty. Just wanted to go over those with you real quick. I didn't give you too much yesterday or too much today, so I wanted to get you some content for today.